Venice, often referred to as La Serenissima, is one of the most unique and captivating cities in the world, located in northeastern Italy. It is built on a group of 118 small islands separated by canals and linked by over 400 bridges. If you enjoy this video about Venice, please like, share, and subscribe. At the end of the video, please use the comment section to ask us any questions about Venice. The Grand Canal, the most famous waterway, snakes through the city, lined with stunning Renaissance and Gothic palaces. Venice's iconic mode of transportation is the gondola, a traditional flat-bottomed rowing boat that has been used for centuries. The city's lagoon and a part of the city are listed as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Venice is renowned for its intricate network of canals, with the Grand Canal being the most prominent, serving as the main thoroughfare through the city. Piazza San Marco, or St. Mark's Square, is the heart of Venice, dominated by St. Mark's Basilica, a stunning example of Italo-Byzantine architecture. The basilica is adorned with breathtaking mosaics and houses the relics of St. Mark the Evangelist. Next to it stands the Campanile, the basilica's bell tower, which offers panoramic views of the city. The Doge's Palace, a masterpiece of Gothic architecture, served as the residence of the Doge, the ruler of Venice, and the seat of the Venetian government. The Rialto Bridge is another iconic landmark, the oldest of the four bridges spanning the Grand Canal, famous for its rows of shops and stunning views. Venice is famous for its art and culture, being the birthplace of notable painters such as Titian, Tintoretto, and Canaletto. The city hosts the Venice Biennale, a major contemporary art exhibition held every 2 years, attracting artists and visitors from around the globe. The Venice Film Festival, the oldest film festival in the world, is held annually on the Lido Island, showcasing films from various genres and awarding the prestigious Golden Lion. The city is also known for its elaborate carnival, a tradition dating back to the 12th century, where revelers don ornate masks and costumes for weeks of festivities. The city's historic Jewish ghetto, established in 1516, is one of the oldest in the world and remains a vibrant center of Jewish culture and history. Venice has a rich maritime history, having been a major maritime power during the Middle Ages and the Renaissance. The Arsenale, a complex of former shipyards and armories, was the heart of the Venetian naval industry. The city is famous for its glassmaking, particularly from the island of Murano, where artisans have been creating exquisite glassware for centuries. The nearby island of Burano is renowned for its lace-making and brightly colored fishermen's houses. Venice's cuisine is distinct and delicious, heavily influenced by its maritime heritage. Seafood is a staple, with dishes like sarde in saa and risotto al nero di seppia being local favorites. Sacchetti, Venetian tapas, are popular in the city's many baccari, offering small plates of various snacks. The city is also known for its Prosecco, a sparkling white wine produced in the Veneto region. The city is home to numerous churches, many of which are architectural masterpieces. Santa Maria Gloriosa dei Frari, a Gothic church, houses works by Titian and Bellini. The Church of San Giorgio Maggiore, designed by Andrea Palladio, is located on the island of the same name and is renowned for its classical Renaissance architecture. Venice's library, the Biblioteca Nazionale Marciana, holds one of the greatest collections of classical texts in the world. Venice faces significant environmental challenges, particularly from rising sea levels and flooding, known locally as acqua alta. Various measures have been taken to protect the city, including the MOSE project, a system of mobile gates designed to prevent flooding. The city's economy relies heavily on tourism, attracting millions of visitors each year. However, this also poses challenges, as the influx of tourists can strain the city's infrastructure and impact the quality of life for residents. Venice is a pedestrian city, with walking and boating being the primary means of transportation. The lack of cars and the city's unique layout make it a peaceful and intriguing place to explore. Venice has inspired countless artists, writers, and musicians over the centuries, contributing significantly to its romantic and mysterious image. The city's festivals and traditions, such as the Festa del Redentore, celebrating the end of a 16th-century plague, continue to play a vital role in its cultural life. The city is also home to prestigious educational institutions, such as Ca' Foscari University, known for its programs in economics, languages, and sciences. Venice has been a setting for numerous films and literary works, enhancing its global cultural footprint. The city's charm lies not only in its historical and architectural treasures, but also in its vibrant community and the daily life of its residents. Venice remains a symbol of beauty, resilience, and the enduring power of art and culture in the face of time and nature's challenges. If you enjoyed this video about Venice, please like, share, and subscribe. This helps us to continue making videos like this for everyone.